Children, Chapter 12, Herons Formula. Units of measurement, you already know that for finding out the length and the breadth. If you are going to find out the length and the breadth of any quadrilateral or of the triangle, any dimensions, if you are finding out, you have to write down meters and centimeters, etc. with it. In class 9, it is mandatory to write meters and centimeters if you are finding out the height or the side of a triangle. Similarly, to find out the area of the triangle also, you just have to write down the meter squares or centimeter squares or millimeters or decimeter squares, accordingly whatever is given as the dimension in your figures. Let's begin with our chapter, that is chapter 12. In this class, you already know about the formula, the basic formula of the area of the triangle, which you have done in your earlier classes, that is half into base into height. We're going to use this formula to find out the area of a right angle triangle, the area of an equilateral triangle, and to find out the area of an isosceles triangle. We're going to use same formula, that is half into base into height. Now we are going to start with the first one. If we are given that right angle triangle is given to us, this is the right angle triangle ABC. Dimensions given to us are 12, 13 and 5 centimeter, right? These are the three dimensions given to you. Here it is we can use this as the base or we can use this as the base. Now in this area of the triangle, you know the formula, half into base into height. Half, base here we are taking it as 12 centimeters into 5, cancel the terms and you'll get the answer as 30 centimeter square. Simple. When all dimensions are given and you know that it is a right angle triangle. Moving on to the equilateral triangle. Now suppose in the question if you are given that there is a equilateral triangle PQR, 10 centimeter as this side, as it is an equilateral triangle, so all three sides will be same. So now if you have to use the formula half into base into height, now height is not given in the question, you're just given that PQR is an equilateral triangle with the side 10 centimeters. Fine. So we have to find out the height. For this, now we are not given height, we have to do some construction. What we're going to do is we are going to find out the midpoint of the QR and join P with it. As it is 10 centimeter, right? We are just going to find out the midpoint of QR, mark it as M and join it with P. As it is an equilateral triangle, its median will also be an altitude of the figure. So it is an altitude. Now PQM and PM are turned up into an right angled triangle. Now you can easily find out the height because for using the formula half into base into height, we need height. Base, of course, we can take any one of it, right? So to find out the height in this equilateral triangle, this is one of the method to find out the area of an equilateral triangle if half into base into height is to be used. So for this, what we have done, find out the midpoint, joined it with P. So now we're going to take a triangle PQM. In this, one of the hypotenuse is given to you, side is given by using Pythagoras theorem. You know that. We're just going to put the values in it. And you see 10 square is equals to PM square and 5 square. Like this, we'll be able to find out the height PM. 10 square is 100, 5 square is 25. So we get the PM as 75. Break it, 25 into 3. And 25 into 3 means it's going to give us 5√3 centimeters. Right? So this is the height. Now you can easily put it into the area of a triangle. Area of the triangle is half into base into height. Base is already given to us as 10 centimeter. Height you just find it out as 5√3. So just substitute the values in it and you just cancel the terms, you'll get the answer as. So this is how you're going to find out an area of an equilateral triangle and a right angled triangle.